Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove objects from images in Photoshop. Whether you want to eliminate unwanted elements or clean up your photos, these steps will guide you through the process. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Zoom in on the object you want to remove. In this example, we'll remove a bird from the image. Select the lasso tool from the toolbar. Carefully trace around the object you want to remove. Take your time to ensure an accurate selection. Once you've made the selection, switch to the Spot Healing Brush tool. This tool is excellent for seamlessly removing objects from images. With the Spot Healing Brush tool selected, carefully click and drag over the object you want to remove. Photoshop will automatically analyze the surrounding pixels and fill in the selected area. Release the mouse button. Once you've covered the entire object, you'll notice that the object has disappeared, leaving behind a clean background. If there are any remaining artifacts or imperfections, you can touch them up using the Spot Healing Brush tool. Simply click and drag over the areas you want to fix, and Photoshop will do the rest. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily remove unwanted objects from your images in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, and happy editing.